announce again that we are casting this live online. So you can tell your friends to catch this on azraelmaryland.blogspot.com. Yep. He just told me a funny story. There are people over on the Senate House checking out one person's computer who was logged on. So yeah, that's your government tax working for you. Anyway, yeah, moving, keep on going. Just kidding, just kidding.
Okay lang ba kayo dyan? Baka gusto nyo bumate, type nyo na lang. Yo, Pat! Mad crazy. Sige, sabihin ko yan pag medyo maluwag-luwag na. Batiin ko, papabati ko kayo. Si Bliss, si Pat Dizon. Sino pa ba? Type nyo na lang yung nickname nyo. Papabati natin pag break time. Also, re-record ko rin to para ma-document natin and may remembrance kayo. Oo, kahit wala kayo dito, you can have your video greetings from Happy Sleep. And all of this is free. Thanks din sa yehey.com, Magnet Cafe, kina Happy Sleep for allowing me to broadcast this event live. Thank you rin sa ustream.tv and stickcam.com for streaming this video, this event pala. Ayan. Lapit ko na lang itong microphone dun sa tabi niya so that you can hear everything. Okay. Maya ulit, balikan ko kayo.